Yeah.
All right, so it's the moment of truth. We have the mount for the mega flag on the back of Goliath. We have found an open road, and it is time to go there, hook up the flag, and let freedom ring. Are you ready? Buckle up, because we're about to find out if it works or not. Oh my God!
Walking around this way.
Diesel, go try!
We just got back from doing some awesome Easter Bunny shenanigans. Probably one of the coolest giveaway ads we've ever shot. Harley Davidson, burnout, back of Goliath. But now I gotta put the mega flag on the back of Goliath. It just so happens that Brian's record's right here for the taking. Oh no, is that him? Okay, play cool. I gotta hurry and use it before he gets back. Come on, man, I'm stressed out of my mind. Nice. You should have seen what my brain just saw. Getting off and off in the bed was just going back. As long as I don't tip to the right, I'll be all right. Oh, potential and the kinetic. You'll need a little bit of, static connection. Yeah. Potential energy has now been transferred to kinetic. Yes, I love freedom. You know what else I love? Financial freedom. You know what really sucks? Crushing debt. It's happening way too much in the world today. That's why I want to do a huge shout out for today's sponsor, PDS Debt. You see, they are going to help people get rid of that crushing debt because they're strapped down. They can't live the life that they want. They're strapped down by debt. So PDS Debt understands that everybody's lifestyle is unique. Everybody's debt and financial situation is different. They don't have cookie cutter programs that are the same for everyone because everyone's life is different. They have a unique program for you that's going to fit your lifestyle. And the best part is it doesn't matter what your credit score is. It can be good, it can be fair, it can be terrible. What they're here for is to help you get rid of that debt. They're going to help you pay off debt faster and put money back where it belongs, which is in your bank account. Am I right? So what I want you to do right now, click the link in the description below. Go to pdsdebt.com/SparksMotors and you can take the next 30 seconds and find out how you can get free from all those crushing debts. You can't be strapped down by your money problems. You can get rid of those creditors and be purely free. Freedom is what I want for you. So go to pdsdebt.com/SparksMotors. Anyway, let's get back to waving the flag. All right, so we got the guys from Project Mega Flag here. Got Bruno, who has been doing something incredible. Just how big is that flag?
That flag is 1,800 square feet, so it is 30 feet tall and 60 feet long.
That's a big flag.
It's the biggest.
I've never seen one
the
bigger.
biggest vertical one.
Biggest vertical one.
The biggest one on a moving vehicle ever.
Biggest one ever flown behind a truck.
Oh, yeah.
So what we're gonna do is we have Goliath that we're giving away. You got one of the biggest, coolest trucks out, and you need the biggest flag to wave behind the biggest truck, right?
Yeah, America.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cruise down and spread some pure American pride throughout the desert.
Heck yeah.
Let that flag wave. Let freedom
do it.
ring. But first, we need to figure out how we're gonna mount it to the bed. So you have this cool contraption. Tell me how it works.
It's pretty simple. It fits in the back of my truck, and there's a big 16-foot boom that comes off this. It's got another 11-foot piece inside of that. Hang this thing way the heck out, flip the flag down 30-something feet, and then you just press up. And there's two straps that run from it all the way to the front of my truck, which we'll have to add on that. And you just fly. You go fast and fly.
How fast you gotta go?
I don't want to go faster than I have to, so I keep it at 42. That keeps it off the ground, a good square, looks real nice. I went up to 60 the other day on accident just because I wasn't paying attention.
60 by 30?
30, yeah.
Going 42 miles an hour,
Yep.
racing it up 30 seconds. You do the math. All I hear is freedom.
Are you talking about what snacks they're gonna fit into there?
They are. They're like, oh, we can put a whole bunch of hot Cheetos under here. Get some tamarindos over there.
We're not the only ones.
Talk to you. We're gonna build a bracket here up front that's gonna hold 2 points.
I don't want to take the credit because he's gonna be building this. I'm busy doing something.
It's a teamwork. He always says it. It's a teamwork. It's 2 minds.
He just comes with the ideas, and he'll make it happen.
So yeah, we're just gonna make a bracket that mounts to the recovery hooks down here, and then that's gonna give us 2 points from the front, farther from the hood, so we can run 2 straps to the top of the mast.
These pipes here
So those
are
pipes.
gonna be the cross members, correct?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start telling the plan. If I tell it wrong, then you fix me.
Okay.
Come with me.
Should I get a whip or something?
Because I was busy talking to Bruno up front while he was telling the plan. So we're gonna run those pipes across here. All 4 or just 2? We are doing 4.
We're doing 4.
So I was right the first time.
Kind of, but you're going wrong on the wrong direction.
Oh, you're gonna go this way.
Yeah, we're gonna go this way. Yeah.
And then we're gonna chain over the top and secure it down.
Yeah, with 1 on top to make it flat again. Because it's like a banana right now.
So we are not doing it this way. We're not going to run it this way. Which I think in this area it's going to be a weird thing, but I trust Jair. The flag goes up. They got 2 cables that come down. So you're going to have to come up here and secure with cables down here. But we have a nice fiberglass hood. The cables are not going to play too friendly with it. But if we don't secure it right here, you got a wobbly mast. And once that sail gets wobbling too much, who knows if we're going to keep the rubber side down or not. So what I think we're going to do is try and devise a plan. Jair already knows, but since I was talking, I didn't hear it.
We're just gonna make a bracket that mounts to the recovery hooks down here.
So I'm going to tell you the wrong plan, and then he's going to come back here and tell me that it's wrong. We're going to build something that comes up and then tether at a higher point back to the mast. Create that stability. How we're doing that, though, is news to me.
We're just gonna make a bracket that mounts to the recovery hooks down here.
So you end up right there and slide up.
Where do you find a flag that big? Is like flags.com?
I don't know, man. I don't know where he comes up with this stuff, man.
Did
Where
he
he
just show up?
finds it.
Did he just show up one day with a giant flag?
You like what they see? It's going to work? You getting nervous? I'm nervous. Oh. Mar? Feeling good about it. And I'm getting really excited. The flag is ginormous. Did you see the video of him driving his truck around the racetrack with it? It looked like it was an RC car. It made his truck look tiny. Never say that to a man, okay? So, Bruno, I'm sorry that I said that out loud, but your flag is so big it makes your truck look little. Chains.
It's probably not a bad idea to run something to these 4 corners too, because it's a lot of pull that way. You know what I mean?
All right, so new plan. We got our setup here, and I just think that these hook points, like I was telling you earlier, are just built for, a Harley and a burnout in the back or some bikes, not the incredible force this giant flag is going to put on them. So these will be a secondary force. What we're going to do is we're going to take the gooseneck ball out and put a plate with this giant bolt, all thread, bring it up through the middle, bring another 4-inch plate off the top that'll act like a washer, suck it down right there. So you'll have the bolt right there. Is that weird the way I said that, Alan? Anyway, so you'll have this bolt in the middle, securing it down, 2 chains, the 2 straps up top to the device we're creating off the bumper, and I think that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points of holding this giant flag in the back of Goliath. It's a Goliath setup for Goliath. Just cross your fingers, pray for the best. Is it going to work? Tell me in the comments. And I know most of you are professional at doing this, so maybe you could tell me how to do it better. All right, it's time to test fit, the final piece of this puzzle. You have the back pretty much nailed down. We got it screwed down through the gooseneck receiver. You got chain down on both other parts. The back is pretty much set. The front contraption that Jair has been working on is about to get test fitted on the bumper to go up, have 2 straps that go back to the pole to keep it from going left and right. Pray that it works. The weather outside is clearing up. The flag is ready to fly. All right, so it's the moment of truth. We have the mount for the mega flag on the back of Goliath. We have found an open road, and it is time to go there, hook up the flag, and let freedom ring. Are you ready? Buckle up, because we're about to find out if it works or not. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
So
This is God's country out here.
but that would be very cool coming over that hill and
Yellowstone was filmed right around the
someone
corner.
down-
I mean, look
down
at how
on the
beautiful
road
this is.
over
You got winter over here, you got summer over there, you got more winter over there, but
There's definitely
you crest right over that hill. Just imagine looking up and all you see is a mountain and a road coming. All of a sudden you see this giant American flag waving in all of its glory. Come down right past you and you watch America fly right past you. Pretty cool, right? That's a vision me and Caleb were talking about in the truck just now.
big flag, right?
It says flag.
It's a big flag.
Can I just be honest here? I thought the bundle was gonna be bigger. I thought it was gonna be bigger. I mean,
Walk down to the front of the truck. You guys ready to go up?
Yeah, were you hooking it to that island? You fixing it down tight?
Yep, I got 2 D-rings on that side that we can hook it to.
Oh man,
If we need it.
strap's not even hooked in.
I know, we're going.
Hold on.
Watch your footing, dude.
That's what it looks like. It looks effortless.
Ron, you good, man?
Yeah. I've only been off the ground a couple times.
Yeah, watch your head here. How'd that go? Diesel?
That was awesome. Incredible.
Chicken jockey!
I thought you were probably pushing 180.
I'm like 190.
Oh shit, man, pretty strong, bro. That was epic. Like, just feeling it all of a sudden snap back and the flag be behind you and look in the mirror. Videos and pictures don't do justice. The flag is ginormous behind you, and watching it flow in the wind on some of the prettiest God's green earth you ever seen was pretty epic. Now we gotta chase the sun. The snow came and ruined it. We're gonna run away from the snow.